Welcome to the world of mixology. You are watching Spice Trail. Today I will show you how to make 5 refreshing and delicious vodka Red Bull cocktails in just 3 minutes. These amazing cocktails are beautifully concocted with vodka, Red Bull, citrus juices, and tropical flavors. I hope you will love these cocktails. So let's go and jump in. Take 5 highball glasses of about 14 ounces or 400 milliliters. After watching this video, I am sure that you will definitely be able to make cocktails like a pro. Now fill all the glasses with fresh ice cubes. The ice cube plays a vital role in mixology, as the fresh ice cube melts slowly, and keeps the cocktail fresh for a long time. These tropical flavored Red Bull cocktails are not only delicious, but also very popular among party lovers. I will be very happy if you try these cocktails at your next party, and share your experience with me. Pour 1.5 ounces of vodka in each of the glass. Vodka is the most popular among party lovers, as it doesn't contain strong flavor and taste, and it also rarely causes hangovers. Today I am using a triple distilled Polish rye vodka, but you can use any vodka of your choice. Pour half an ounce of lime mix in each of the glass. Lime mix is less sour and lighter than lemon juice. If you want to prepare it at home, mix 200 milliliters of lemon juice, 200 milliliters of water, and 25 milliliters of lime cordial. And your professional level lime mix is ready for use. You can refrigerate and use it for 7 more days. Pour 1 ounce of pineapple juice in each of the glass. I hope you are enjoying this video. I will be happy if you make these cocktails at your next party, and share your experience with me. Great! Let's get into the flavors. Pour half an ounce of blood orange syrup. Half an ounce of green apple syrup. Half an ounce of blue curacao. Half an ounce of grenadine syrup. And lastly, pour half an ounce of passion fruit syrup. Now take a bar spoon and slowly stir all the cocktails. If you like these recipes, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up. After watching this video, I hope you will be able to make cocktails quite confidently in your next party. Though if you have any queries, please feel free to contact. I will be happy to hear from you. Please check the description box for the detailed recipe. Now top up with chilled Red Bull. You are watching Spice Trail. Now garnish these cocktails with fresh pineapple slices. Five vodka Red Bull cocktails are now ready to rock your party. So jump in, and try these cocktails. For more exciting recipes, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell. Cheers for your amazing life. Have a great weekend. Thanks for watching, Spice Trail. See you soon with another exciting recipe like this. Till then, keep watching.